Hi, in this video I will show you how to practice Duolingo English Test. We'll give you a full strategy to 150 plus on your actual Duolingo. For example, you can click on your actual flag icon right here and click onto the English language. Then from in there you can see in here this course. Make sure to begin the course and begin it right here, and then this will load. Now, it should be able to be catered to the language you're in. So, for example, right now it's currently on Filipino and it will be translated to English since this will be an English test. So, you can just input right here the right image. Make sure to choose in here this one. You can also enable in here the actual option right here in order to hear what it sounds like. Click onto this check option and as you can see it's correct. So continue with this right here and then choosing here this. So typically the image is associated, but on this case it's not associated. So for example, let's choose in here the correct option. Then click on check and then proceed. Then choosing here again this one and proceed. And then choosing here the correct answer and then proceed. And you can also click onto this icon right here because they will also show you that. So you can input right here and you can choose in here what you have heard. I heard your ticket, please. So let's choose in here this. And what you can do is you can just go over and then make sure that you get and then listen and then observe everything in the Duolingo app in order to ace your English test. So that's how you practice Duolingo English test. Hope we help.